Okay, so here I am in my GetResponse account, and this is where I'm going to create the opt-in form. Okay, as you can see here, well, first of all, to get to this page, after you log in, you just go to Forms and click on Create Form. Okay, and there are some templates you could use here that are very attractive, but for this example, let's just go and use a plain opt-in form. And we're just going to go ahead and just use this form right here where it says email. Okay, because that's all we're going to ask for. Usually if you ask for any more information, the conversions go down. So it's best just to ask for an email address on your opt-in form. Okay, and let's just choose the campaign here. Okay, and you want to do a custom thank you page. Okay, and this is where you're going to enter the URL of your CPA offer. So when people opt in and they go to your thank you page, the thank you page will be your CPA offer. Okay, and this is the code right here. So this is the code that I'm going to take and paste it onto my landing page. So I'm just going to press on copy. Make sure I have it. Nope, it didn't work, so let me just try again. There, okay. And just paste it onto my notepad here just to make sure it's working. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to my HTML editor, and this is where I'm going to insert it. I'm going to go to the source. You have to go to the source to see all the codes on here, and you're going to see where it says insert opt-in box. So if you can recall, in a previous video I typed in insert opt-in box, so this is a note for myself. So this is where I'm going to insert the opt-in form. Okay, and there you go. Now on the HTML editor, the opt-in form doesn't really show up properly. You would have to upload it first to your server, and then you could see the opt-in form.